Qué bonito es gritar pura vida en Costa Rica.
Es bien bonito salir al mundo y sentir que yo soy tico. Alma disfruta, que es un ratico. Estar aquí es todo lo que necesito. Y no es que no hayan problemas, es que el mar aquí todito se lo lleva. Y la
Stop. Called Las Pilas. We can swim here, jump. There's a place you can jump, they tell me. And so if we continue up this road here, apparently we'd end up in Flamingo, according to the tour operators. This is a really cool spot. I mean, I didn't expect this. I just thought, you know, an ATV tour, but this is super cool, right? Nobody else here. Well, while we're here, let's put the drone up and see what this looks like from above. I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage from right here at Las Pilas. We're just going to finish up here and continue the ATV tour. So again, really cool spot to stop. And I'm told that we're going to be taking a different route when we continue along.